Welcome to day 11 of the 25 days of Christmas spirits. Today we are making the blizzard. So this is something you should drink when there's a lot of snow and you can't go anywhere else. So let's look at the ingredients. Bourbon, cranberry juice, lemon juice, and simple syrup. Let's mix it up. 1/4 cup bourbon, 1/4 cup cranberry juice, 2 tablespoons of simple syrup, a 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice. Just a little shake. Let's pour. So let's taste, but first, somebody stopped by to get some eggs, one of my friends, Brenda. She also will get to taste today. Come here, Brenda. She's going to a Christmas party later. Look how nice she's dressed. So, cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, nice
good.
and bourbony. Just a
Little citrus.
Yep, a little citrus. For those of you who really like bourbon, this is definitely a good bourbon drink. Very citrusy, cranberry-ish. Is that even a term? Cranberry-ish?
Could be. I don't even like bourbon, and this isn't bad.
This isn't bad?
Not bad.
Well, good.
So,
Drink up
I
then.
drink it.
So I'm going to sip these and spend a little time with my
Yeah.
friend Brenda. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 12 of the 25 Days of Christmas Spirits. See you later on the homestead. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Enjoy.
Today we are making, I don't know.